Follow these instructions to change the blade bolt and cutting blade of your Flymo hover mower. First, ensure that you have disconnected the product from the mains electricity supply. With your product turned upside down, remove the blade bolt by holding the blade firmly with a gloved hand and using a 13mm spanner, loosen the blade bolt by turning anti-clockwise. Once loosened, remove the blade bolt, washer and blade. To fit the blade, first ensure the flat side of the blade will be facing the grass when the product is in the mowing position. Reassemble with a gloved hand the blade bolt through the center hole in the washer, and with the blade sat level, tighten down clockwise with a suitable 13mm spanner, but don't over-tighten. Take care at all times not to catch your hand on the blade. We recommend you only use genuine Flymo replacement parts. Details of where these are available can be found on www.flymo.com/UK. We hope you found this how-to video useful.